Hello, today I am playing Catbird, and I haven't played this game before, but I had to record it again since there were some technical difficulties. Okay, so the aim of the game is to go in those black holes and collect those crowns. It's a really good game, and it's really cute. Catbird is obviously referring to the cat with wings. Kind of weird, and why is there bleach in the floor? Is that bleach? Yeah, I don't think you meant to fall into that. I don't think bleach is good for you unless it's milk. Milk wouldn't kill you unless it was rotten. Well, actually, yeah, milk is bad for cats. Gives them diarrhea. I don't know why everybody thinks cats like milk. You know, I don't think they should have it. This makes them sick. A lot. Oh, you also need to get the keys so you can, move on and break the barriers, as you can see. You don't need to collect the crowns, but it's kind of like a little bonus thing. So, again, if you have any other games for me to play, or if you want me to continue playing this one, then just tell me in the comments down below. Oh no, I just killed this poor little baby. Gumdrop things. I don't know what they are. I just killed them. It's mean. Okay, now there's a huge lake of bleach here. Or milk. Bleach or milk. Use your imagination. I don't know what to do. Well, obviously you have to push that down so you can, get out. You know that one would be there for a moment. Oh! Maybe you'll have to, push... I forgot. I forgot what my idea was. I think I need to, be a bit, I don't know, higher up or something? Didn't know how to do that, though. Okay, so I thought... No, I forgot again. It's mean I have to kill those things every single time. I still don't know what you're meant to do. I really don't know. Okay, so I did it, and for some reason I did it, and I went out, and then push it all the way to the end so you can jump on top of it. This seems hard. How do you do this? Oh, there's an ad. Ads evil. And okay, I don't know why that happened. There's the sign for me to stop, and bye!